Improve the vibe of your vehicle's interior with our bold and classic plaid trim tartan car floor mats. These preppy varsity-style car floor liners feature colorful trim and soft carpeting with uniquely woven fibers to trap dirt and grime in their tracks. A heavy-duty rubber heel pad adds durability to stand up to the harsh scuffing of heavy boots and shoes. The underside has our FH Group standard non-slip textured backing, ensuring that the mats always stay in place. These FH Group mats are universal in size to fit most cars, are lightweight yet durable, and easy to maintain with just the simple use of a vacuum cleaner or by rinsing with water. Give your vehicle a classic tartan look with these colorful plaid trim car floor mats. Available in 3 vivid design options. Add to your purchase a full set of our tartan plaid seat covers, which include matching headrests, steering wheel cover, and seatbelt pads. It's a dynamic combination that you and your passengers will be sure to love.